Rolling and action! Cut!
Alright.
Hey, this boy is a bit out, so you don't have to perform, it's a bit out. You don't get two for performance.
It's not that like.
Happy? When they see me dance now, it is like a nocturnal animal. I didn't look at it for
Mike, my move.
I noticed, but I go open my That's not.
Your leg is not showing.
Ah, come on. Ah, this is how raping somebody's lips. No. Uh, you know now. Well, it's just an acting. It's part of the vibe, romantic scene. It's a love song actually, so we need to act that part. So yeah, it's just it. Well, the lead act, she's an amazing lady. My name, what's be her name, self? I've forgotten. Yeah, but she's amazing.
It's your kiss. It's your kiss. It's none of us. Don't worry, that was private interview. Abina. Private things. Private trips. Abi? I not say that too. You want to put me in trouble. I not say anything like that. If I did, I will not tell you. It's private things. Do you want to find out?